Hi there. Thank you for watching this clip on where to put the zero and why it's different. Well, 3 over 0 is undefined. We can think of a couple ways. Graphically, if we have a chocolate cookie, 1 over 2 means one cookie, two people is splitting it, so each one has half. Okay, if you think of that way, then you have 3 cookies and no one is sharing it. It's a awfully sad thing. Okay, so you can think that as undefined. Okay, now this one I have run. It's 0 over 32. Now on the other side, if you have a 0 cookie, but then there's 32 friends, then each one has nothing. Basically, there's no cookie on top. Okay, now more advanced calculus-wise, why 3 over 0 is undefined has a lot more rigorous reason than what I drew over here, side face. So if you have a function that's 3 over x, now if you haven't taken any calculus or limit, this may or may not make sense to you, but bear with me for a little while. When the x is close to 0, from the positive side, let's say 0.1. Okay, you have a really big number here on top. And as x gets bigger and bigger, and then this function goes close to 0. So the function itself, or to graph it, it looks like this. Okay. Now, however, on the function, when it approaches 0 from the left side, which is minus 0.1, then you have a huge negative number here. And x gets to be really big negative number, say negative 10,000, then you have a close to 0, but it's always negative. Now, the discontinuity, it's a big fancy word to say when the x approaches from this side and x approaches to this side, both are getting close to 0, but guess what? They don't agree with each other. Okay, so we call that mathematically discontinuity. Okay, when a function has discontinuity, then at x equal to 0, the function f of x equal to 3 over x is undefined. So basically, it's a fancy way to say a mathematician can't figure out, well, if you put a 0, do I say it's negative infinity or do I say it's positive infinity? So for that reason, we simply concluded that if the denominator is 0, we see this is undefined case. However, when the 0 is on top, there's no such problem. All right? That's how we handle this kind of question. Hope it's clear. Please share your comment on YouTube and vote like if you find this helpful. Thank you. Till next time, have a confident day.